Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase retention rates with TimeSolv. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase retention rates with TimeSolv, start by logging into your TimeSolv account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your projects and clients. Identify any clients with low engagement or usage history. Review their project details and current status to understand their needs. Set up reminders to check in with these clients regularly. Utilize TimeSolv's reporting features to track project performance. Analyze the data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Create customized reports for each client to provide insights into their usage. Schedule regular meetings with clients to discuss these reports. Gather feedback during these meetings to understand their challenges. Implement suggested changes to improve client satisfaction. Ensure you are using TimeSolv's billing tools to streamline invoicing. Send invoices promptly and provide clear payment options. Follow up on overdue payments to maintain consistent cash flow. Leverage TimeSolv's project management features to keep clients informed. Provide updates on project milestones to enhance transparency. Encourage clients to utilize the TimeSolv platform for better collaboration. Share best practices and tips on using TimeSolv effectively. Consider offering training sessions for clients who may need assistance. Monitor engagement metrics after implementing these strategies. Adjust your approach based on ongoing feedback and analytics. Stay proactive in maintaining communication with all clients. Regularly review retention strategies to ensure optimal effectiveness. By following these steps, you can significantly improve client retention rates using TimeSolv. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.